Ato, te, ate. Follow, te, follow. Follow ba? Follow, dali. Follow, dito ko. Dali. Dali ba, dali. Pinsa. Wala na, babay na.
Wait. Kami.
Picture sa, picture. Ha? Hi.
Good morning. Picture?
Yes, ma'am. All together.
Ah, pwede picture. Ah,
Ma'am, yung stroller. Pumunta mo lang, ma'am. Wala na kayo. Sorry, yung picture mo.
Ako rin.
ah, sige te. Kali. Nag-uwan din. Ay. Tani. Ha? Tubig, na tubig.
Relax all and masses and dive to the great depths below the water. So Planet Rider is our green wing car. This bird can be found in a woodland and forest in northern and central South of America. We go from the show started, so round clouds of flag missing bird, blended. So your cat is blue and your beach is azul. So guys, if you want to start a friendly battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. So boys, let me cheer for blue. Come on boys, say go blue, go blue. And for the girls, let me cheer. Alright, birds ready, trainers ready, set, go. Let's go blue, let's go blue. So first ball by blue. Let's go blue first, we're azul. So for blue and blue wins the basketball game. Blue at si Azul. So later, nasa next segment si Goldie. So Goldie's scientific name is Let's join our bright cat, Kita. The cat scientifically known as High. This bird prefers habitat of flower wetland. Can be found in Southeast Asia, Australia, and India. So Australia, they're called the sea eagle, or the red-backed sea eagle. But here in the Philippines, they're called Bano or Lawi in the Visayan region. So imagine our bright type cat. So if familiar na ng eagle, so mga ang eagle na show sa logo, turn left. Again, our question, I want to please settle down. Kaya gusto ko na to please settle down sa akin. Like the sea eagle can be found in Southeast Asia and Australia. This bird different habitat of flower plant. It's a white with a head in the body, with a gray in the back with a V-shaped arm. The wingspan of this bird can be up to 2.2 meters, and they are the second largest raptor in Australia. Then of course, everyone, especially na tulo sa tabaw, please sa pagdala si Antiyot, kaya medyo amin na nga. Again, of course, everyone, for safety and food.
Sit down, sit down. Sit down, kay mo. And very good thing I said, they can catch their prey up to 30 to 100 miles per hour. In the wild, they hunt fish, sea turtle, and a sea snake. So that's it. Alright, that is Sea Eagle Aggie. Aggie Kingdom of Freddy, our rescued bird. So yun na siya. Aggie and Kingdom are rescued birds. So yun na siya trained during EZQ period. So lastly for flying bird, look to our left. As a poem, our homing pigeon. So home pictures has ability to overcome fundam weight and mass. That is special for magnet to reception. To find direction, attitude, and location. So isang aso mas na maglupa ng tuyo-tuyo na Southern Rufous Wheel. It's bird different habitat of the mountain of Mindanao area. Yung known as an araw or the clap of the mountain because of their booming sound. So, let's get 1, 2, 3 in 1, 2, 3, go! Amazing, right? So, Randos or Philippine Rufous.
Picture.
Look, jellyfish has stingers. Jellyfish. Look. Oh, jellyfish has stingers. And the baby. Look, a baby. Oh, it needs it.
Tani, te. Tani.
Balik dito. You know like this.
Happy face.
You know like this. Happy. Last one. Everybody. Okay, thank you.
Pero una na dara-dara. Wala. Na, patay na. Kumali daw ay naman.
Kung lang nanti, ay